All right, let's jump right in. All right, so our first presenter is Mr. Jimmy Hatzel, VP of Revenue for CyberQP. He's a tech expert turned go-to-market professional with hands-on experience in IT and cybersecurity. He uses his technical abilities and marketing knowledge to help MSPs build and deliver successful security programs to their clients. Welcome, Jimmy.
Thank you, Kevin. Glad to be here. Start my timer right here. Today, I'm representing CyberQP, formerly QuickPass Cybersecurity. If anything seems familiar, we recently changed our name. So we are now CyberQP. The product's still the same, although we have some new features, which we'll be covering today. So we're primarily in the area of privileged access management. For MSP specifically, we currently have two products, QDesk and QGuard, which I'll cover. But the core problems that we solve is the shared credential problems for MSPs. And what I mean by that is MSPs need to access many different customer environments and have admins for them. And there isn't a really great way to do it yourselves. A lot of MSPs will share credentials across environments. In addition to that, costly service tier 1 tickets like password resets, verification of user's identity, all of that. So I'm going to cover that here. We have two products, QGuard, which is our privileged access management tool, and QDesk, which is the help desk security automation tool. I'm going to start with QGuard, and I'm going to move a little quickly. If you'd like to dial into it at the end, I'll put up a QR code where you can book a demo, or you can click, raise your hand in the survey to book a demo with us. So our QGuard covers many different areas, such as privileged account password rotation. So we can automatically rotate the passwords for every single administrative account across all of your Windows environments. This includes local admin accounts or your normal break glass accounts that you might have, or any accounts on a server, like a domain admin, service account, and even Azure AD accounts through our integration with Office 365 and Azure Active Directory. We can also do just-in-time account creation, which I will show today. It is creating named admin accounts on the fly for a specific purpose and for a specific amount of time. This gives you the ability to have zero standing privilege or not lots of shared admin accounts active at the same time. You can also work across environments, local, server, Office 365, and we help with privileged identity management, discovery of accounts, and monitoring changes of these accounts. And we also have a secure password vault. So the first thing I want to show is our password rotation. This would import all of your admin passwords across all your systems, including anything that's shared, across customers, organized by tenant, all of that. And normally you'd run this on a schedule where the passwords are rotating every day in the background, long 99 character randomly generated passwords or passwords, passphrases. This would be an on-demand password rotation that I'm showing right now, where tech leaves or something, rotate all the passwords, and it will automatically update the password in a documentation tool like IT Glue or Hoodoo or inside of our password vault. The next thing I want to show is just-in-time accounts. Again, this is creating accounts on the fly. So what I'm doing here is creating a just-in-time account to log in an Active Directory server instead of accessing a shared account. I'm going to select the duration of the account and the reason for creating it, and select Active Directory, and then the amount of privileges, right? I don't always need domain admin. I could just need backup admin to do something, create the account, and I will then be able to inject the credentials or copy and paste the credentials into my remote control tool. This one is using Screen Connect, and we have the ability to eject the credentials right in. Our other product is QDesk. QDesk, you can do self-service password reset for your end users using a mobile app that they can use with Face ID or fingerprint scan. They can also do it on a web app if they don't want to install the app. And then your technicians can also do tier 1 actions like sending them a password reset link from inside the PSA, unlocking their account, disabling their account. We can also do identity verification, meaning if they call into your help desk, we can send them a push notification or a code that they have to read back to you. And then that gets logged on the ticket inside your PSA. And in addition, we can do Active Directory password syncing. So the passwords in Office 365 and Active Directory, we can sync them up automatically so they are the same. It does not work the same as something like where it's passing the password in one system. There's a syncing period. It will update both systems automatically. So to show you QDesk, this is what it looks like inside the PSA. Your technician, this is inside ConnectWise, can do an identity verification right there. Just press the button. And then the end user on their phone will get a push notification like this, where they'll see verify your identity. They click accept or approve. And then on the PSA, it will say user identity verified, and that will get logged on the ticket. This is really important for change control in a post-mortem situation or in the event that something actually happens. If they do not have the app installed, it will give you the option to do email or SMS. And we can also do tier 1 actions like sending a password link for reset. So you can send that via email. You can send that via text. And you can also do things like set a temporary password and change on first login. Your end users can unlock their account or reset their passwords if it's expired or they can't get in using Face ID or fingerprint scan right from their phone themselves. It'll pull the information right from AD for the password policy, and it actually updated right there. It updated Active Directory and Office 365 both at the same time. The end user can log in instantaneously. You can do all of these actions from a web app. You can do it on the mobile app. And then for the technician actions, you can do it inside Datto Autotask, or you can do it inside ConnectWise Manage or inside of our system. We have done a bunch of MSP integrations. We can work with all of the accounts in Windows, Active Directory, Office 365, or local accounts. We can work with documentation tools like IT Glue or Hoodoo, and we integrate with Autotask or ConnectWise Manage. Again, if you don't have this PSA, no problem. You can do all of those actions from inside of our dashboard, which has SSO, super easy to set up, and also ConnectWise Screen Control. We can help you generate more revenue with playbooks and partner marketing and all of that. We can help you save money by cutting down on password reset tickets. Imagine what it would do for your profitability if 90% of password tickets were cut down. And we can help you better secure yourself with zero standing privilege, zero trust help desk, and secure password storage, all of that, eliminating stale credentials, and better secure your customers. I highly encourage you to book a demo with us. This will take you right to a booking page. You can get in with a rep right away. If you're not comfortable yet, reach out to us, join the breakout session. There are lots and lots and lots of videos on our website where you can learn about our use cases, really dive into the product and get to know us. Hope you enjoyed it. That was a quick 7-minute demo of CyberQP, again, formerly QuickPass Cybersecurity.
Awesome. Thanks, Jimmy.